माय नेम इज़ अक्षय और मैं एक लॉयर हूँ. आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई न्यू पेज वेर आई बी एक्सप्लेनिंग different concepts of laws and such concepts which everyone should know, which includes the right, which includes basic awareness, which includes each and everything which a person, I think, they'll be going through in their lifetime once, bare minimum. सो आज का जो सबसे पहला कॉन्सेप्ट है विच आई हैव चोजन इज़ विल, वसीयत. हर आदमी को, गरीब हो या अमीर, उसको अपनी लाइफ टाइम में एक बार विल ज़रूर बनानी पड़ेगी. तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू डिस्कस दिस थिंग विद यू कि विल क्यों बनानी ज़रूरी है, विल कैसे बनानी चाहिए, विल की क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होनी चाहिए जो बनाने से पहले वी शुड बी वेरी कीन ऑन दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग शुड नॉट बी मेड रॉन्ग. अंडरस्टैंड? सो सबसे पहले जैसा मैंने बोला कि सिर्फ अमीर लोगों को विल बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हर आदमी, जो आदमी रोड पे रहता है, वो भी अपनी विल बना सकता है. उसके बाद कैसी भी प्रॉपर्टी हो, प्रॉपर्टी इंक्लूड्स इमूवेबल एज वेल एज मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी. एक घड़ी है आपके पास, उस घड़ी को भी आप विल के अंदर लिख सकते हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, हाउ डू वी एग्जैक्टली एक्सप्लेन अ विल? So, in a very simple language, a will is a document which actually entails each and every property and each and every beneficiary whom you want to give or will to give. So, the basic characteristics of will here comes out to be: first, the person who is making the will, in legal terms, he is known as the testator. Secondly, the will should be very clear. It should actually explain each and everything very clearly. Third, it should write down the names of the beneficiary. Beneficiary are those people in whose name the will is being written. And the very important thing is attestation. Attestation includes witnesses. Attestation measures the authenticity of any kind of document. Understood? One more concept which I think most of the people are confused about: whether or not the registration of a will is compulsory. For that, I like to tell you, registration आप करवाओ या ना करवाओ, according to the Indian laws, it is not compulsory. अगर मैं आज अपनी will लिख के जाता हूँ and I die, that will is valid. That will is valid, but the only point is that registration makes it more valid. I understand more valid और valid का difference क्या होता है. I'll just tell you. Whenever there is a will and we have to like execute it, execution of will, which is known as नामाकरण करवाना. जब किसी will का नामाकरण करवाने जाते हैं, for that will which has the names of the beneficiary, we actually have to file a publishment into different newspapers. उस different newspapers में हम इसलिए फाइल करते हैं ताकि कोई objections आए. So when that will is registered, that objection free will becomes more valid. We have like more authenticity to a document. Attestation also gives it authenticity, and registration actually increases the authenticity of that. So registration in India of a will is not compulsory, but it's preferable. I think the basic knowledge about will, as far as I could give, मैंने दे दिया है. Apart from that, if anyone has any kind of doubts, they are free to raise questions in the comment section. I'll be very honored to answer them. Thank you so much.